Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Monthly DIY Challenge, which is hosted by Domestic Diva DIY. And the theme of this challenge is winter or Christmas. So I'm going to do a pink winter Christmas. I will leave the link of her channel in the description box and as well as the playlist of all the participants. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you know me, you know that I make all my projects based off Dollar Tree items. So again, I have everything from Dollar Tree. So let me show what all I have here. And this is one of the white boa that I'm going to use, and one of the pink ribbon, and some pink flowers, and some vase fillers or table scatters, and I have a clear ornament and white reindeers and some sparkles. So with all these things, I'm going to do the initial preparations and I'll be back. So this is the final result of all the projects of Pink Winter Christmas. And I created this Christmas tree from a plastic tumbler, and I stuck boa around it, the white one, and I stuck that vase filler, the pink ones, on top of it to give like an ornament look to it, and I stuck bow on the top. And the next one is clear ornament, and I filled pink flowers into it, and I stuck a pink bow from a pink ribbon and stuck some of the shiny berries. And these are the cute reindeers, the white one, and they got like nice pink sparkles on top of it. Stuck one of the flower, the pink flower, and silver, the vase filler, and stuck one of the pink feather as a hat, and did the same for the other one. And I scattered all the vase filler to just give the decor. And this is one of the Christmas tree from Dollar Tree again. And I arranged everything on this white runner, table runner. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon to see more videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.